Hey everyone, and once again, welcome to WS Cube Tech YouTube channel. Myself, Umar Taskir. Guys, in the last video, we actually talked about the difference between short tail keywords and the long tail keywords and why we should go for long tail keywords. That is what we covered in a last video. Now, in this specific video, I'll be talking about what are the different ways through which we can actually find long tail keywords. So, let's see on my laptop screen and long tail keywords. Let me write long tail keywords over here, and I'll be telling you some methods through which you can easily find some long tail keywords, or you will get some long tail keywords ideas, then you can refine them, then you can go with them for your SEO efforts. So I'm telling you three methods over here. The first one is Google Auto Suggest. Okay, the first method is Google Auto Suggest, and the second method is Google LSI keyword, or we can also say similar keywords. And the third one that we are going to talk about is tool based, right? Tool based. So we'll be using Uber Suggest over here. There are many tools, you can use any one of them, but right now I'll be telling you on Uber Suggest. Fine. So let me tell you the first one, which is Google Auto Suggest and how it actually works, right? So once you come to google.com, and suppose I am searching long tail keywords around digital marketing, right, or digital marketing course. So once you type digital marketing course, and as you will be typing digital marketing course, you will be seeing these kind of results over here, right? So these are auto suggestions which are given by Google. So you can pick long tail keywords from here also, more than three words, the keywords or the phrase which is having more than three words you can pick from here. So once you pick them from here, you can put them into your list, and then later you can refine from there, right? So parallelly, what you have to do is you have to go to your sheet, right, Excel sheet, and you have to start writing the suggestions over here, right, which you find useful. So for example, I am finding this thing useful, right? Digital marketing course online free, right? So I'll be putting this over here, digital marketing course online free, right? Then will keep doing this, like digital marketing course free. Then we'll be seeing other suggestions also: digital marketing course free, ebook free of cost, free Udemy, free online with certificate. If this is what we are offering, we can definitely go with this keyword, right? So you have to keep doing this, right? It's kind of a loop. You have to start with your seed keyword or the primary keyword, then you have to find out the different keywords which are long tail keywords from the suggestions itself, and you have to write them over here, right? So you have to actually keep them writing over here, and after once you are done finding the keywords from different sources, then only you will be able to figure out what kind of keywords you are finalizing, right? So this is one way from where you can actually figure out some long tail keywords. The other one is once you enter your keyword over here, like digital marketing course, and you come down over here, right, you'll be seeing some searches related to, we call them as LSI keywords also, but these are basically searches related to your primary keyword what you mentioned over here. So you can find different keywords from here also, and you have to repeat that process again. You have to figure out what kind of keywords are useful for you, what kind of keywords are providing relevant intent with respect to your content, right? So you have to pick some keywords from here. Again, for example, I am selecting these two keywords, right? Then what I have to do is I have to copy these keywords, and I'll be putting these keywords into my list. So our list will keep growing, right? So we'll put these two keywords over here, and let me match destination formatting over here. Okay, fine. So your list will keep increasing over here, and later you will figure out that which keywords you are going to work on, right? So this is how you actually find out some long tail keywords. So these are the two methods that I discussed with you guys, and the third one, which is tool based, right? Uber Suggest. So we can use Uber Suggest. We just have to simply come to Uber Suggest, right? It's a free tool. They do have paid version also, but you can do few stuff with the free one, right? So enter a domain or keyword. So right now I am entering digital marketing, okay, digital marketing course, and I'll be searching search. It's for US, so let it be like that only. Suppose we are researching keywords for US, you can change the location according to your requirement. You can go for India or whatever you want, right? So they will give you a pop-up over here to log in, right here. So we should log in, right? I'll be using Google to log in over here. Once we are login, we'll be able to access so many things, right? So let me log in with my Google ID. So once I am done logging, okay, here it is. So once I am done logging, we can easily find out some long tail keywords. We have to download keywords ideas from here. We have entered our primary keyword like digital marketing course. So once you are done logging in, you will be seeing some interface like this. So you just have to come to this keyword section, right? This keyword section over here. So they are again asking for our primary keywords. Let me enter that keyword, digital marketing course. So here it is, digital marketing course, and you'll be getting some keyword ideas over here, and you have to download those keyword ideas, and then you have to pick some long tail keywords from there, because it will give you keyword ideas like short tail keyword ideas, also long tail keyword ideas also. So these are the keyword ideas that you have over here. You can view all keyword ideas, and you can also figure out that what kind of search volume different keywords are having. So you can also find keywords on the basis of the volume and on the basis of the paid difficulty and the search difficulty. When we are talking about the search engine optimization, we majorly focus on search difficulty. There's no need to go for paid difficulty or the cost per click. These two things are important when you are basically finding keywords for your PPC campaigns or Google search campaigns. What things are important over here for you into your search engine optimization effort is basically your search volume. It should be higher, right? It's a very basic thing. It should be higher, and your search difficulty which should be low. So search difficulty is inversely proportional to your rankings, right? So lower the search difficulty, there are higher chances that your keyword will rank your web page, right? So what you have to do, the next step is you can export this to CSV, right? So you will not be able to find much keywords over here because it is free version. So you will be getting only 100 keywords over here, right? So there are so many keywords, but you will be able to find only 100 keywords. Again, it's a basic thing. Then so again, if you want more data, then you have to move to paid tools, right? Free tools are not going to help you that much. So you can definitely download your keywords, and then let me open this sheet first. Okay, here it is, right? Once we open this specific sheet, we can easily find out. So if it is sorted by search volume, right, you can see the search volume is from higher to lower. It is moving from higher to lower, and it is already sorted. So we have to find some long tail keywords from here, and then we have to put those keywords into our this list, right? This list. So by using all these strategies, you will be able to find out some keyword ideas, long tail keywords ideas. Now you can do another layer of research, right, which is basically whether these keywords which you actually figured out are having some search volume or not, or they are just like the normal keywords, are they getting search hits or not, right? So this is another thing which is very important, right? So you have to perform another search, another level of keyword research, rather I will say, right? So this is what we have to do, right? So this is the way you can actually figure out some long tail keywords which can be very beneficial for you, right? So that's it for this specific video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.